Welcome to vlog 62, always time in the kitchen. This episode also shows you about the clock. Now it's finished outside the front of the house, and future designs for our kitchen and layout of the kitchen. Hope you enjoy the vlog, guys. Catch you later. Bye mate. Easier to talk when your head's back and your airways open. Strange. As soon as you come and down again, you start talking like Mickey Mouse. Go on. Yeah. Anyway, I have some blood tests to have on Thursday to see why I've got this funny speech impediment. Big scaredy cat, ain't you? Good girl, weren't you? Yes? You got it? Oh, it's gone in there somewhere. She'll find it. Go. Who's that? Hello? Hello? Yeah, look. Come say hello. That's her. Who's that? Look, hello. As promised, Neil and Maria from Baguio, huge shout out. I'll lean back, huge shout out. Sorry buddy, but thanks for your banter and your friendship on YouTube. I think you're a great character, and you cheer me up to no end. Yeah, enjoy the vlog, guys, and don't forget, 50% of people, or 57% of people, still haven't subscribed to the channel, and 42 have, and I only got 12 thumbs up. Come on, guys, give us a thumbs up. Come on, it's not rocket science. Hit the thumbs up, yeah? Just hit it. Yeah, this vlog is about washing machines, TVs, kitchen appliances, clock, paint, walls, decorating, you name it. And if you see some of the prices on the appliances and you're from UK, just work out in 62 pesos to the pound. So whatever it is in pesos, divide it by 62, that'll give you the price of the item. Alright guys, enjoy the vlog. Be good.
Ano na sila? Oo. Meron ko, kung ano mo, maupot sila.
As you can see there, we're starting to tile the kitchen stroke dining room. extending it back into the dining room. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that video from building our dream home in the Philippines. Don't forget, if you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. It's really important, guys. It pushes the video forward and it prompts other people to watch it. So that's fantastic if you can hit that like button. And if you want to subscribe, it's all free. Please subscribe to the channel and you'll catch all the latest videos. Don't forget, guys, it's still not safe out there. Wear a face mask, keep your distance, wash your hands, and most importantly of all, just stay safe. Alright, take care guys, catch you later. Bye bye. Thanks for watching today's vlog guys. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, wash your hands, keep your distance and wear a face mask. Okay, take care. Bye bye.